Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Classroom, your one-stop destination for mastering GCSE English language. Today we are going to dive straight into GCSE Language Paper 1, Question 1, specific to the AQA exam board. This question assesses the first part of AO1, identify and interpret explicit and implicit information and ideas. This question might seem simple, but it sets the tone for the rest of the paper. Stick around as we unpack the strategies and tips you need to ace it effortlessly. Ready to sharpen your skills? Let's get started.
Now, for question number 1, we don't have to read every single thing. All we need to do, we're just going to read lines 1 to 5. List 4 things about the old man from this part of the source. So this is a 4-marker question and there should be 4 statements about the old man. Now, if we look at the insert, what we can see, there are 5 lines. And by reading this paragraph, we need to figure out 4 statements about the old man. Now, if we look at the answers, the findings are: the man is old, he is a fisherman, he had not caught a fish in 84 days, he is considered unlucky. And we can easily get 4 out of 4 just finding out these statements. When we are going to write down these statements, we are going to start with a capital letter and definitely we are going to end with full stops.
If you like this lesson helpful, please do not forget to like or subscribe at Easy English Classroom and turn on the notification so you never miss out a tip. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.